ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We all are going to many ulsams. From there, surely we buy peanuts. Did you notice the pack of the peanut? Yes, it has a different shape, right? Cylinders are prisms-like solids with circular bases. Similarly, we have pyramids-like solids with circular bases. They are called cones. We can make a cylinder by rolling up a rectangle. Likewise, we can make a cone by rolling up a sector of a circle. What is the relation between the dimensions of the sector we start with and the cones we end up with? The radius of the sector becomes the slant height of the cone. The arc length of the sector becomes the circumference of the base of the cone. We often specify the size of sector in terms of the center angle. It can be explained by using a problem. Form a circle of radius 12 centimeters, a sector or central angle 45 degree is cut out and made it into a cone. What are the slant height and base radius of this cone? The slant height of the cone is the radius of the circle itself, 12 centimeters. We want to find its base radius. Here the central angle is 45 degree and we know that a circle have total central angle 360 degree. Hence we want to find 45 degree is what part of 360 degree? That is 45 degree divided by 360 is equal to 1 by 8 part, and the arc length of a sector is proportional to the central angle. So, this arc length is 1 by 8 of the circumference of the full circle. This arc becomes the base circle and the cone. Thus, the circumference of the base circle of the cone is 1 by 8 of the circumference of the larger circle from which the sector was cut out. Since radii of circles are proportional to the circumference, the radius of the smaller circle is 1 by 8 of the radius of the larger circle. Thus, the radius of the base of the cone is equal to 1 by 8 into 12 is equal to 1.5 centimeters. How about a question in the reverse direction? How do we make a cone of base radius 5 centimeters and slant height 15 centimeters? To make a cone, we need a sector. Since the slant height is to be 5 centimeters, the sector must be cut out from a circle of radius 15 centimeter. What should be its central angle? The radius of the small circle forming the base of cone is 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3 part of the radius of the large circle from which the sector is to be cut out. The reason for how do we get this is, we cut this circle of radius 5 centimeter is from the circle of radius 15 centimeter. So, the circumference of the small circle is also 1 by 3 of the circumference of the large circle. The circumference of the small circle is the arc length of the sector. Thus, the arc length of the sector is 1 by 3 of the circle from which is cut out. So, its central angle must be 360 into 1 by 3 is equal to 120 degree. So, the answer of our question can be put like this. We can make a cone of base radius 5 centimeter and slant height 15 centimeter with the central angle 120 degree. You got this idea? So, you should calculate all the questions that are given to your textbook and check whether the answers are right or wrong on MathsLab icon. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.